Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily bring images to front or back in your Adobe Acrobat Pro reader. Let's begin. First, open up the application or software itself. Then from here, you would like to start from scratch. So click on Create, then blank page, click on Create. Then hit or choose Edit a PDF. Then click on image or add an image. Click on it. I'm going to choose one image first. So this, going to place it right over here. And then I'm going to add like a total of 3 images. So just bear with me. Going to put it right over here and another image. Uh, Maybe this. Okay, I'm going to add it over here. Just going to drag it a little bit here to align them. So basically, you can right click on any selected image. So make sure the image you would like to configure is selected, right click. And then from here, you will see an option arrange image. So for example, if I want this image to be slightly at the back, just choose the option send to back or send backward and see how it feels. So I'm going to choose that option, but I will also show you how what it looks like at the front. So you can see it's in front. Going to put this back again. Okay. And this I will also put or arrange this at the back. And as you can see, that's it. So pretty much I want this image to be on full view, and you can always right click and rearrange them according to your preference. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.